Today I'm just taking a walk around to show you what it feels like inside this estate. Clean, quiet, and I think it's also secured because I can see some security at the gate right there. One thing I love about this estate is how neat the roads are. No dust, but sometimes a lot of noise during the daytime. You will enjoy peace, you know, with your family if you live here. Just think it's one of those things. So today, guys, I'm taking you guys through. As you can see, the roads are clean, but the gutters are not good at all. The gutters are so dirty, and it brings a lot of mosquitoes and smell to the road, to the environment. So that is one thing that I don't like about this estate. The gutters are crazy, man. Very, very dirty. See, look at it. What's it called? The gutters, they're not really looking that good because, as you can see, the water is, has, a little bit of issues on the road, So that's one of those things. Welcome to Victory Estate, guys. So today, I'll be taking you guys on a walk. Yes, on a walk around to show you how the estate looks like. Very calm and very cool. So that's one of the things we're going to be talking about today. And sometimes it's just like that. Sometimes it's like that. Cars, but the streets are nice. They have nice roads. They have nice and calm roads. But the gutters are nothing to be talked about. The gutters are not nice at all. So that is it. And you can see the structures of the house. Most of these houses are built by Igbo men, around the world. And most of them don't really live here in Nigeria. Practically there's no tree around, no trees. Practically no trees around. Yeah. But the roads are, the gutters are nothing about. The roads are clean and nice. They have nice cars coming out, nice cars coming. So that is it, but there's no tree around at all. As you can see, the gutters are not that okay. So one thing I love here is because nice houses, and it's usually calm, and they have good electricity, good lights. The power supply here, I think, is 24/7. Yeah, I think so. I just think it's just 24/7. Yeah. So let's just enjoy the walk, and that is that. Yeah. I've not seen any type of street lights yet. No street lights. I don't know how they're going to cope with at night. I really don't know how to cope here at night, but because there's no street light at all, no, no street light. So I think I'm gonna go up, probably a clean haircut. Let's see what it looks like. Maybe let's see how much an haircut will cost here. What's up, brother? Are you the only one here? Okay. How to cut my hair? Is that? Oh. So. Maybe I'll come back. Maybe I'll come back again. Yeah. No, the Baba is not around. I don't know if they have a very good water. I don't know, because the last time I came here was around, the first time I came here, I mean to say, was around 2022. Yeah, 2022. Yeah.